to die. Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Tell me what you want and I will give it to you.
Hey, Power. Hey, Power.
Yeah, Rock Nation in the building.
Cause you
Fire.
are.
In the storm, I know I'm hardcore. It's hard being sweet with changes and ranges. Tapping on my window pane with the concrete juggling me. Being direct, it's hard playing games when you're not playing games at all. From the pain, brain again, can you drop the sweet when I saw and turn me into your candy rain? With the sweet little angel that I wanna be, even though I feel I got angel eyes, I gotta keep it real. And with the hardcore written all over me, yeah, you know the deal. Well, yeah, you can call me bittersweet, and the sweet of the deal. Yeah, they say the old the fairy, the sweet of the truth. Yeah, I'm not getting no younger. Make me candy rain and call me your lightning thunder. What about your candy coated little raindrop? Even though I don't sugarcoat things and keep the conversation sweet and high. But how about you just hit the spot and make it sweet instead of short and sweet, make it long and sweet, or make it last a lifetime. Am I on your mind? Yeah, what you call that? Bring the pain, call me. You can't